To add Calendly to your GoDaddy website, start by logging into your Calendly account and clicking on the Publish button at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select the type of link or embed you want to use on your website, such as an inline embed or a pop-up text link. Next, copy the HTML code provided by Calendly. This code will be used to embed Calendly on your GoDaddy website. Now, log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to your website builder. This is usually found under the Websites and Domains section of your account. Once you are in the website builder, click on the Pages tab and select the page where you want to add Calendly. This is usually the Contact or About page. Click on the Add Section button and select the Custom Code option from the list of available sections. Paste the Calendly HTML code into the custom code box. Make sure to remove any existing code that may be in the box before pasting the Calendly code. Click the Apply button to save the changes and then click the Publish button to make the changes live on your website. You can also add Calendly as a pop-up text link on your website. To do this, click on the Add Section button and select the text option from the list of available sections. Type in the text you want to use for the link, such as book a meeting, and then highlight the text and click on the Link button. In the link settings, select the Custom tab and paste the Calendly link into the URL field. Make sure to include the HTTPS protocol at the start of the link. Click the Apply button to save the changes and then click the Publish button to make the changes live on your website. By following these steps, you can easily add Calendly to your GoDaddy website and start scheduling meetings with your website visitors. Remember to test the link or embed after adding it to your website to make sure it is working correctly.